Just spent about 2 hours trying to earn 5 coins to buy a pack, and then the store's not available. So
we've got to go back on it.
We've got to go shopping next week. Right,
Here we go.
Updating store.
Oh, it's Joe Hart.
Joe Hart. This could be intense. Oh, some fucking weird man.
Here he goes.
What will happen? Lloyd's 11.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't believe it.
DeMarcus!
DeMarcus! Oh my god, DeMarcus!
Oh, he's actually pretty good.
DeMarcus!
Oh wait, who was that Liverpool player? Borrelio.
Barini!
Reed Pile!
Yes! Oh, you don't have to buy anyone ever again.
Trade Pile. Oh my god, I'm loving these contracts.
1,000 coins as well!
Oh my god. Are you serious? And the Everton kid I've already got.
Oh my god!
Shit.
Oh, so much
I'm
coins.
stop videoing.